This was today, guys. What's up, team? I hope you all guys having a great time. It's Raphael here, the crazy professor, and in today's video I want to show you how I smacked on Dow and DAX today. Alright, so yeah, let me record my screen to show you what I did. Let's get it. So this is the Dow Jones, the US30, and what we did today was very simple. Let me check the 5-minute chart. No, first of all, let's start on the higher time frame, like the 4-hour chart. All right, so yeah, let's start over here on the left side of the screen, because we had a level of support and resistance over here, and this is the box. Like, price one time spiked up, came to this resistance, and then fall down. And before that, it was price came down to the support level, bounced at it 2 times, then then it got broken, and it got tested again. So this was a zone in my eyes where price gonna have struggle to continue moving upwards. And then when price hit that has hit that level, I was going down to the lower time frame, and I was checking the lower time frame to see what is going on. And it was, let me check out the replay. I think it was somewhere over here where I told to my team, I see a double top over here. So yeah, this could be a turning point, guys. So let's see if the neckline gets broken so we can get in and bank on the move up, move to the downside, because we had a strong upward move, and then it was kind of slowing down. Double top, you know, it was struggling around at that area. Man, I look like a freak, man. All right, so what we did, I was like, all right, check it out, see if it breaks the neckline, okay, so we can get in when it starts moving. Let's check a higher time frame. For me, it was like, okay, nice. We have the next significant level over here of support and resistance, where price was bouncing around at before. So yeah, what I did was I was just waiting for price to break the neckline on the lower time frame, and then my target would be around that area where we have the next support level, you know. So yeah, and then I was riding the wave on the lower time frame. Like, I didn't want it to give back too much. So as soon as I saw that it's slowing down, I'm a cash out, wait for better entry, you know. So let me press the play button to show you what happened. So the neckline got broken, and then I was getting in, you know. And then when it starts moving against me, I was getting again and again, you know. I was pulling up some more, because I knew where I wanted to get out if the move is not working for me. So first of all, I tested waters, and then I start scaling in for the better entries. The same thing to the other side. When it continues to drop some more, I will scale in on a good trade as well. So what I did is I was loading it up, and as soon as it starts slowing down, I was closing my position. I think it was around in that area, so I banked around all that. So this was the move that I was getting, And then after that, I was waiting for another good entry, and I wanted to see that price continues to drop. So I wanted to see that the level gets broken, you know. And then I was just waiting, and then I got in again. And yeah, I think this is what we got right now. Price was coming up again. Yeah, and then I scaled in again, and then price dropped. And then I was getting out, you know, because I saw this is a this is a support level, and as soon as it starts slowing down and show me some bullish pressure, I'm out of here and wait for a better entry. And then I was getting in again at this level, guys, at this level, when I saw, okay, it continues to drop, so we have some more space to the downside. And yeah, this is what I'm waiting for right now. It came back again for another good entry, and now we are waiting, see what the market does. But yeah, it looks good to the sell side, and see if it continues like that. And hopefully we're gonna make some money this week on Dow and DAX, because the economy is telling us that this bitch will drop some more. Have a great day. Peace out, guys.